Around half a year ago, the first corona wave was hitting Germany, and it changed our lives immediately. Now the second wave arrived, and another lockdown is the reason why many items are selling out instantly. The most popular item didn't change, and that's why toilet paper is not available anymore in many supermarkets. Here's an item that will always be available: hot and spicy chili. Spicy food is not that popular here. People are disciplined, trying to keep distance. Let's hope that we can soon go back to our normal lives.